welcome you watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Youth Council urges compensation for child electrocution tragedy. RDA members gather in Nongpo to support Khuborjylla. Khasi National Awakening Day celebrated with basketball tournament in Meghalaya, Nongpdeng. And final photo electoral roll distributed in southwest Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. The Hnautrap Youth Council HYC in West Khasi Hills, alongside members of Remulyang Circle, has fervently urged the Meghalaya Electric Corporation Limited MEECL in Noston to provide compensation for the tragic loss of Yaboklang Wanyang. The child lost his life on March 23, 2024 due to electrocution from a fallen wire while walking in that area. The executive engineer of MEECL has assured to address the matter earnestly, promising to engage with higher authorities within the power department. This incident underscores the pressing need for stringent safety measures to prevent such tragedies.
The Nagaliang Jongi ka HYC West Khasi District harangkat ka jeng ya don kat Nagaliang Jongka Remulyang Circle bertemu Circle mentang ilawan ya kenduk ya executive engineer Jongka MECB hang ni ba jeng keren ke Jongi kelong ba Nagaliang Jongi kerpat ya ka MECB ba ka di ban siu ya ka bailut san namta tu hybrid ibok lang wanyang nagasnong lang ja ka ba la ja ni tayo beradab Menteri Sejan Nagaliang Jong HYC West Khasi District harkat Remulyang Circle kewangi lah yarap pan lek pan yarap lem yang kena bala don deng jum saujur reng isu kumangi laong ya ingu ublai pat tu kena nang laj deng ka jing jiap sosi rei tang ka jing mensau kun tang kerpat ya ka office jong ii bade ban yarap lem ka bai lusan ta te kena ti setenan Nagaliang Jong ii wang bo sa sim khia ni usap ha Khubor bade bate nang ba kila ban yarap lem ta te ban Nagaliang Jong ki SDO ru ila kersai bakin sau lek ban Peit yang tu kena hagniki sengi ki ba mentah. Jika tak ada ka bentah hidup Khubor nilai keren ru Nagaliang Jongi i ba man Khubor ke jing jia basusi tak ada jing yap jing merat jing tengku bi wayar hakaleng ki bentah jong West Khasi District di Nagaliang Jongi ngila kerpat yo i ba don kam ban update ban Peit ban lek Peit man ki snong kumnu ki long ki wayar nomor ki la trei arphos na menchua la trei life host na menchua la trei host na menchua don ki wayar ki bla senjor ki pus ki bla senjor kum ta ter di Nagaliang Jong ii long ba mentah kinsa leistom nomor ka don ru leng bagas skim ka RDSS kani ka skim kolong ban repair nan tai tu ba job nginget pa Nagaliang Jong nginget ba Nagaliang office kan salek bentah kum juru Nagaliang Jong la ajung mut ru yo ii ba de ban ajung tip habaro kisnong leng ba kisiti ban kerpat kisnong bagi de yaraban Peit jam bagi kisnong ki khamsuk yaraban Peit jam hangnu ba kadon ke jing julor hangnu kadon ke jing bombyang ki niki wer pus keleng ki snong po West Khasi District lada kidon ki de ban yathu ka office ba kadai ram le kam ingej ba kani ru kan yarap sibun lada Nagaliang Jong ka office kan le ka mentah haju poru ni wan lembaga unit momerin baudon we atli ki pus momerin belajar klem no di Nagaliang Jong ki sipai ki jongi na momerin
UDP leaders convened in Rebhoi district on the 4th of April, gathering at Yo Maulong Nongpo to elucidate the party's agenda and garner public backing for their candidate Khuborjylla vying for the Shillong parliamentary seat. Notable figures like Medba Lingdo, Mirelbons Im, Renekton El Tongkar, KP Pangyang, President HSPDP, Balajit Rani, among others, were in attendance. Amidst discussions, RDA leaders voiced concerns over potential monetary influence in the forthcoming elections and unprecedented occurrence in the past electoral history. The meeting served as a platform to galvanize support and address pertinent issues ahead of the impending polls.
Kung kinoyalam, yung kinikiartli ki political party ka UDP bat ka HSPDP. Bal kumbanga Ukraine naman ki jaka ki bangalet ya kaban yalap ban banya parta nak bantah kandidat election campaign nak bantah kandidat jongi nak away ke jaka sakwe ke jaka banga kuaban ong pi bakalong keju kejingkeren jonga kanum don jingper kejingper kan long tang ladai lecture ramai rang kam kriat ke benen lecture boy kam shit ke benen tak kata jingper mereka mat di point ki ba nakaliang jonga ngakua bagi Peit ba ya ki egi sembo jing perkat ki bagi kuah ban bersiap ki kuah ban pendrung ki jing perkat jopi suaba pinjim ya kanu rai nalor ki tu ki berada pinjim ya rai na kersan ya kan di jopi nganu muan ya kan ke pol siteng segi kumne ke jing set ke beneng ban pensoka ya pi kilong keme kilong kepak Samla ban penyangka ya pi sedai cerut sakyal tang nak banta ma pincuan menyesap ikut election nengawan hak dengan por dekat bat ka RD dekat baru kandidat dekat bagi rirang ba hak dengan por ban pelut sini ya kata ka badon ka nongrim bat ka dor jongka hak por election judon ki baju ai ni mod ina giong kawang lah ke kawang, keren lah ke keren ke bamuan, meleleh dah election. Yang ada election pun balak lah. Kau kelet. Ukun mau. Ulaban kelet, teman dalam polisan senam, ada yang tuan kembas liang. Ukun mau ke tidak kelet. Ada yang sisa. Kerib hoi. Hakapol bakalang don na preng ke jing yakun. Kepada na preng hakapol jong ke jing yale. Kabangi don kam ya kinong yalam. Ki leader ki bala benset haki.
Peit ba nong Shillong hapo uput usam jong ka iwe Shillong parliamentary seat. Ya ka kerteng ke jong ba Robert Jun Kharjarin kum ukurtong. Kendiat badlang kode capang uneu Samla rangba hai jingtip ibanga ngala badlum kat tu kat ni udei Samla rangba uba la palat ya ka lai pesan senem kadang ngambakala karta kade karta kabala i kabala pedeng karta kaba hag jinglong briu jinglong do gejengir kade karta kabe genang yok bor banang tre ya lage jong kekam Samla rangba ubaladan gajing nang gajing start ubala pendep ya gajing puli BALLB kumbala aban sutu ubotip ubos sutu ya gajing dan kam kumno banya sak hangti hapo dor barba parlemen kejudan gajing persyang ban keren hagiran san yalap election na ka bentah ban penbit da kamne da kamtai kala bandai daga pisa kala bandai da kiwi kirukom tendrai ka election MP kadai ka election ka bakongsan hadu kata haga bangin jit ya une orang ba ubanra ya ka sur banyasak banyakran hangti hapo kador barba ha parlemen kindon shibun ki bill ki banda kaliang.
The Khasi Students' Union KSU Maulai Circle marked the Khasi National Awakening Day by organizing an invigorating basketball tournament in Maulai Nongpreng. General Secretary Senkme Donald V. Thaba inaugurated the event as the chief guest. The tournament featured 12 women's teams and 30 men's team. Notably, the Maukasyang Marvels triumphed over Donbosco with a commanding 62 and 29 victory in the women's match. On the men's side, Seng Samla Maulai Nongpreng clinched a hard-fought win against KSU Mauprem with a scoreline of 51 and 40. The event fostered a spirit of celebration and unity among participants, commemorating Khasi heritage and culture.
Ai jingero ya kaki su mulai circle basa sisin kelala ban beteng liang ban pentulun ya kesalentem haka ba kelala ban pelong ya kani ke 4th edition jongka basketball tournament ka ba tournament ka ba nyele kai tang par kasi om bang nyele kai bat kiwei bat kijan riu Hawat Messi kibun diberi kebakanto ya kaki siu ki ong ba balai pisele kai tang paramapi di penyakai batang kasi balai pikang lat ki giwei balai pinsu sakut pinsu set back iladi inside a box around within the four walls andre kamle ke jing khanglat andre ke jing thu ke jungi hi bangi penyat ke kini ke tournaments kamun bangi kwa ban ai platforms nini ngai ai rengsan ya ki parado parasdam ke jungi ki bathang ban Beni ya kasap agi jinglia kai gi jongki kembangan suai nupsa hangi pi boro subu mentala da kadon ka college week po senyan tenis college kamun ki players ki beli besin mentah basketball ke football ki debi ki kena senyan tenis kinem sha kena senyan mens kena Shillong college macam ter tiga jingmut ke jongi ru ka long bal ngi pelong ya kani ka khasi league basketball tournament insya Allah para kasi bat kata ka objective dan ka vision ka jong ka KSU ka long ba ini kilong kita kirensan lalu ki madan ki ban ai experience ki kena ki jungi ai ki kun safara mengi ai ki nyo kala begini kun safara maki ban lokum sibenta bagi ban kre ila dia ban kiu pat kirensan ban kun pat bagi ki jek riu la kade ke state level dan ke national level but international level ban kiu begini kirensan kini ki levels ki boper kade ke jingang nut jong ka KSU namar gilai ba ka jinile kai by day bagi disiplin kita pair dari tengah basketball hangi Khuborjylla Meghalaya jungi ke hiar sepapalat dan ini Peit akan
The culmination of efforts in southwest Garo Hills sees the successful compilation and distribution of the final electoral roll ahead of the upcoming elections. Additional Deputy Commissioner Shri RZD Shira oversaw the distribution ceremony, presenting the rolls to executive heads of recognized political parties at the Deputy Commissioner's Chamber, Ampati. Electoral registration officers meticulously prepared the rolls for assembly constituencies 53, 54 and 55, adhering to electoral regulations. This transparent endeavor underscores a dedication to democratic integrity, ensuring accurate voter information for political parties and promoting public engagement in the electoral process through accessible roll inspection. The Maharashtra Institute of Technology, MIT University of Meghalaya, Shillong, has announced the upcoming MIT Connect Shillong seminar on April 6th to be held at St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School's basketball court from 11:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. With a focus on entrepreneurship and sustainability, Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. D. Bhattacharjee expressed enthusiasm, inviting all to partake in the event. Dr. Bhattacharjee highlighted the university's inception in 2011 and its recognition as a state university by the government of Meghalaya in 2017. The seminar promises to offer valuable insights for attendees, aiding in their career decisions.
In history, be in Kashi, be in English. But what we have done, which Albert was referring one step ahead, the UPSC syllabus as well as the MPSC syllabus, the total syllabus we have divided into 6 or 7 different segments. Each and every segments are added in each and every semester. So that as soon as student will complete their graduation, they are ready to crack the MPSC or the UPSC examination. So this is a new thought because most of the students in our state, they are ready to crack the government service. They'll go for the government. They just want to go for the government service. They want to crack the MPSC. For that reason, there is a new thought we introduced here that as soon as they will complete the graduation, they will have their graduation degree in hand, in one hand. In another hand, they are ready to crack the government examinations. So the syllabus framing, it was very hard to frame the syllabus in such a way so that the student will complete their graduation subject also, as well as they will complete all the subject which is related to UPSC as well as the MPSC also. Not only UPSC, APSC, SSC also local students. And so if I start with the journey of MIT, as the Act passed in 2017 and we established this university in 2017, MIT was the academic partner of this university since the beginning. And in 2017, MIT decided to take this university control fully. So in 2017 and 18, with the State Government Act, again one more act was passed by the State Government Education Department as well as the Law Department. And the university earlier name was changed, and currently we are known as the MIT University of Meghalaya. After establishing this university, our first motto to establish our own campus, because we believe that without having our own campus, we are not able to give proper justice to the student. Unless and until we give proper lab facility to the student, proper library facility to the student, proper giving facilities to the student. Student life requires all these things. So our first motto was to establish our own campus. We were struggling a lot. Then with the help of the government, with the help of the local people, with the help of the local authority, we were able to crack the deal in 2020. We purchased the land on university name and registered the land on university name in 2021, 4th April. And it's a very good news. And I can say this is a coincidence that
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.